First, we'll open the trunk. Now you notice on the edge there's a cover, and we will use a plastic trim remover tool like this. Using the tool, we'll make some room here so that we could grab it from the top. And while holding the top position like that, what we will do is we'll punch in the tool in that corner right there and then try to pull it out just like that. Once you notice the edge is pulled out, now we'll just pull out the cover like this, and that is how we take out this plastic cover. Behind the cover, notice there are two screws right there. We'll be using a Torx 25 bit like this, and then taking out those two screws one by one. Once the screw reaches towards the very end, there you have to wiggle a little bit to take it out completely. There we got the first screw taken out. Now we'll take out the second screw on the top. Second screw is also out. Now we'll grab the tail light like this and then gently pull it out. There we got the tail light pulled out. Behind the tail light, notice there's that plug right there that we are supposed to take out. I'll just tilt the tail light like this to make some room for myself. And notice there's a harness right there that we have to pull out from those two tabs. There you notice we pulled out the harness. Notice this tab right there. It was positioned right here and it actually broke while pulling out the harness. In your case, just be careful while pulling out the harness so that you do not end up breaking any of these two tabs. Once the harness is pulled out, notice the plug has that tab right there. All we have to do is just press and hold that tab and then pull the plug outwards. There it is, we got the plug taken out. That is how we take out the tail light completely. In my case, the tail light is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new tail light and you want to install it back, notice behind the tail light, there is actually that pointer coming out right there. And this pointer is supposed to go in that spot right here, you could see. Now we'll go ahead and punch in this plug. Just make sure that the tab side of the plug, which is right there, it goes towards the side where there are those two tabs. We'll go ahead and punch in the plug right there and then press the plug down until we hear a clicking sound. There it is, the plug is completely in. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the tail light back. Again, just make sure that this pointer right here is supposed to go in that hole right there. We'll go ahead and punch in the tail light just like that. And notice from this side, it actually has to go in completely. So I'm just gonna give it a push. After that, you would notice the edge is completely in. Now, while holding the tail light like this, we'll go ahead and punch in the two screws we took out earlier. So we'll hold on to the screw like this and punch it in that position right there. And then we will tighten it all the way till the very end. We got the first screw tight. Similar way for the second screw, we will hold on to it just like that so that it does not fall. And then we will punch it in right there. Second screw is also tight. We'll make sure one more time the top screw is also tight. Once both the screws are tight properly, now we'll go ahead and install this plastic cover. Just make sure behind the cover there are two pointers right here. They're supposed to go in one hole right here and the other hole right there. Also notice there are some other tabs on the cover right there. They're supposed to go into these three positions right here. So we'll go ahead and carefully punch it in. Once the cover is in position like that, then we'll just press it down from the middle until it goes completely in. There it is. Notice it is sitting in there properly. You can also double check to see if it's not coming out. Once we got the cover in position, with that, we are done with the replacement of tail light completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.